Deeples Auto would like to show you around this 2007 Chrysler 300. Very nice vehicle. In excellent condition. Nice clean rims. Take a look on the driver's side. We've got front bucket seats, gray leather interior, power driver's seat, has heated front seats, dual climate controls, auxiliary input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, auto headlights, power mirrors, locks, and windows. The interior is very clean. Take a look on the passenger side. Power passenger seat as well. This vehicle does have a sunroof. Again, this is a 2007 Chrysler 300 here at Deeples Auto Group. If you have any more questions, you can visit our website at www.deepolesauto.com or give someone here a call at 800-458-0141.